Hey guys, today we'll try to add Spotify songs to your phone. So if you guys are wondering how to add Spotify's phones to your phone, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first is to go ahead and go on over to the Spotify application, and for us to locate where the option for us to add Spotify songs on here is gonna be located on the local files option. So I'm gonna go to show you guys what that is. Just tap on your profile and then tap on settings and privacy. Now, I want you to scroll down until you see your local files right here, and then, as you would notice, it will automatically add tracks from this device into your library if you have this email enabled. So what this means is, as long as you have those local files downloaded already on your device, meaning those music and tracks that you have downloaded from the third-party software onto your iPhone device, all we need to do is have this enabled, and those files is gonna be located on our library right here. So is that easy, guys, to have that on our Spotify accounts. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and take care. Thank you.